YouTube. Top Down Kicks with a Z. And for today's video, I got a pair of these AJ 3s called the Racer Blue. Came out 2021. They need a lot of things done, so let's jump straight into it. Grab that razor to pluck any rocks from the pavement. Make sure to unlace these shoes before you start the next step. Take that OxiCleaner stain remover detergent, pour it in the water. Make sure it's on delicate, cold water at that. And you can put a little splash of bleach, let it feel first before you put the shoes in, and let go. Here is the results from the washing machine. And I forgot to mention that make sure you check on your pair of these kicks while they're in the washer, because sometimes the washer can be harsh and beat up your kicks in there and rip some of that leather off. So just make sure you keep an eye on it. But again, here's the results of them. We're gonna start off putting these shoe trees in to knock out any creases, to reshape the shoe itself, and let's speed off. You want to put that dab sauce on there, right? And ice these bad boys so you get the best results. I ended up icing for about 2 sessions, 4 hours a piece. I didn't want to focus too much on these pair of these shoes because I had other pairs to get in, to get out. But here's the results. Came out pretty clean, as you can see, with the shoe trees, reshaping the shoe itself. But on the bottoms, I should have did more cleaning on the bottoms with acetone, which I'm gonna show you right here in this step, that I continue on getting some of that debris, dirt stuck on the bottoms, whatever you want to call it. But Z. Towards the end of the video, I'm gonna show a before and after. And if you made it this far, make sure you smash that like. Check out my other videos. I got a bunch of sneaker meetups. Check me out. Yeah.